Today we are going over Whisper AI. This isn't new, but I've been itching to cover it. Why? Because I truly believe it's underrated and often overlooked. Now, this tool can transcribe practically anything. I put it to the test with AI voices, podcasts, and even full songs with lightning-fast lyrics. And guess what? Whisper AI didn't just keep up, it excelled. It's seriously amazing, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to install it with just one click. That's right, just one click. Before diving in, let's chat about what we're gonna do. We'll install it together and then run some tests. We're talking transcribing different languages, testing the translation to English feature, and running a few transcribes on various types of songs. And for those who might hit a snag trying to run it locally, don't worry, I've got your back. I'll show you how to use this gem online. And let me tell you, Whisper AI is fast. When I say fast, I mean it transcribed and spat out the lyrics for a song in just 18 seconds. Now, you might be thinking, so what? What's the big deal with converting speech to text? Well, let me tell you, the applications are vast and diverse. Think about content creators, like podcasters and YouTubers. They can use Whisper AI to generate accurate subtitles, making their content accessible to a wider audience. Or picture students and researchers transcribing lectures and interviews, making note-taking a breeze and studying more efficient. And it's not just for the education field. Business professionals can transcribe meetings and conferences, journalists can swiftly turn interviews into text, and even legal pros can document proceedings accurately. But here's a cool one, language learners. Imagine using this tool to transcribe audio in a new language. It's like having a personal tutor helping you with comprehension and pronunciation. And let's not forget about accessibility. Whisper AI is a game changer for those with hearing impairments, providing real-time text of spoken content. The list goes on. From healthcare professionals documenting sessions to authors transcribing their spoken ideas, Whisper AI is reshaping how we handle speech and text. So, let's jump right in and install this powerful tool. First, you'll need Pinocchio. So go to pinocchio.computer and install and launch Pinocchio. Next, click on the Discover button and look for Whisper WebWe. Click Download and Install. The install process took me around 10 minutes. It's a one-click installer, so you don't need to worry about command prompts or anything like that, so sit back and let it install. Once it's installed, click on Launch. Now the fun part, let's go over some settings. By default, we start off in File. This is where you can drop your files that you have on your computer. If it's already downloaded, you'll drop them here. Over here is the models. They have a whole variety of models to choose from. By default, it's set to large V2. That's the default model. For language, default is set to automatic detection. It supports a whole variety of languages. And for file format, SRT is a subtitle format. Then we got web, VTT, and TXT file. I normally use the TXT file. We got the option to translate to English. Add a timestamp to the end of the file name. Here we have advanced parameters. Not gonna go over too much of the advanced parameters. You'll just generate your file by clicking on this button after you've uploaded your file. So they have a section here called YouTube. And you can simply paste your YouTube link and it'll transcribe the video. The same here, the models. We have large V2 selected by default. Then we have automatic detection on our language and our file format, TXT. Translate to English. Add timestamp to the end of the file name. And of course, advanced parameters. The next tab we have the microphone. This is where you can record directly from your microphone. If you want to translate your speech to text, same here. The model selection, language, file formats, translate to English, advanced parameters, and of course your generate button. So here we have T2T translation. T2T translation is to upload your subtitle files to translate here. So if you have subtitle files, you can upload them here and translate them. We have our source language and our target language. So this is where you would translate languages. If you wanted to translate some subtitles, so let's say the movie had Spanish subtitles, you could upload the SRT file and translate it to English. So with that all being said, let's take this for a test drive. The first thing I'll do is give it a simple task. This is my voiceover file that I will translate. It's actually me voicing over the rundown of Whisper AI that you previously seen earlier. All I did was narrate through my mic while recording my screen. I then used Whisper AI to transcribe the video to text, then I ran it through the AI voice that you are used to hearing, this voice. So here is a preview of the file I'll transcribe.
By default, we start off in File. This is where you can drop your files that you have on your computer. If it's already downloaded, you'll drop them here. Over here is the models. They have a whole variety of models to choose from. By default, it's set to large V2. That's the default model. For language, default is set to automatic detection.
So that is the file we will transcribe. Let's run it through Whisper. Done in 12 seconds. So this is what it would look like as a SRT format or subtitle file. If we wanted just the text, we could change the file format here by going here and selecting TXT. So let's do that. And now we have just the text file. Again, it took 12 seconds to translate that. So for the next test, I am going to give it something more challenging, something with background sound effects and music. I'll use one of my old short form videos. This was my last short that I uploaded, so let's try this. It's perfect because it's just a voice. Then there are some whoosh sound effects, then music starts with the narration. Let's see how long Whisper takes to transcribe this. First, let's preview the video. I took this image and converted it into a video with this new AI tool. The problem is, the video only generates 4-second videos, so this is what I did. Go to this website, click here. Next, click here. Drag and okay, let's run this through Whisper. Let's use the YouTube tab on Whisper, and I'll grab my link here and paste it here. Click generate. Done in 4 seconds, and it did a perfect job with the transcription, even with the sound effects and music in the background. Now, let's try something a bit more challenging. Let's see if Whisper AI can transcribe a song. So in order for me to not get a copyright strike on my videos, I'll be using something from Netflix. So let's go to YouTube and find a Netflix no copyright song.
Old school effects out here. Yo! I'm an addict, addicted to being savage. My life is a little graphic, like HBO making magic. I'm rapping to make that passive money come in. Okay,
let's test this out. Let me grab the YouTube link and copy it and head back over to Whisper. Paste in our YouTube link, now click generate.
Old school effects out here. Yo! I'm an addict, addicted to being savage. My life is a little graphic, like HBO making magic. I'm rapping to make that passive money come in from traffic. Doing mental gymnastics, I'm fluid and problematic.
That took 57 seconds to transcribe. Simply amazing. Now, I am going to try it with a fast rap to see if Whisper can transcribe it. Of course, I can't do anything mainstream or I'll get a copyright strike here on YouTube, so I'll just use another Netflix song since it is copyright free. For this song, I'll use the song RIP.
Keep it going, I'm rolling and flowing, I'm coasting, I got them all trolling me right. I just keep growing and showing them knowing I'm owning this flow, you can catch me outside. Gonna get them all with a little payback. Never gonna fall, I'ma stay on the attack. Put them up against the wall as I finish every track. Never gonna stall, no, I'm never gonna slack. I've been like working and learning.
So let's fire it up and see how this goes.
Keep it going, I'm rolling and flowing, I'm coasting, I got them all trolling me right. I just keep growing and showing them knowing I'm owning this flow, you can catch me outside. Gonna get them all with a little payback.
Nice. Done in 24 seconds. Awesome. Now, what can you do if you can't run this locally? Well, we can head over to OpenAI.com. However, it won't be free, but it's really cheap. I'm talking a few cents per transcribe, so sign up with OpenAI. When you're done, you'll want to go to the API section. From here, we can access the playground. This is where we will access the OpenAI Whisper model to transcribe files online. When you're at the playground, click on Assistance and select Complete from the drop-down menu. Now you will see a green microphone icon here. Click on that green mic icon and you'll be able to drag and drop your files here to transcribe. And it's as simple as that. Need subtitles for your videos? Done. Want to document a brainstorming session without missing a beat? Whisper AI has got you covered. But what's truly amazing is seeing this AI work its magic in real time. It's not just a tool, it's like a reliable partner that understands and transcribes every word with precision. And the best part? It's free and easy to use. You saw how simple the installation process is and how quickly you can start transcribing anything and everything. So, why not give it a try? See for yourself how Whisper AI can make your life easier, your work more efficient, and your content more accessible. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more AI tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating. AI Controversy signing out.